Okay, now let's see consider same segment theorem, right? I try to explain here all the theorem, circles theorem related to O level IGCSE exams. So then after I will explain some question from past papers, right? First of all, we need to understand clearly these theorems, right? I will start from the first one. Now think here, first circle theorem like this, you know. Now if we consider two places, right, A, B on the circle, right? Now from these two places, if you make an angle at circumference like this, now this angle start from AB, no? Now another angle, next one also must be start from A and B, right? Like this, right? Now this angle and this angle, now if you thought here x, here y, x and y equal, because why? The try to understand very clearly. Now x also start from A and B, y also start from A and B, right? So these two equal. And if I make like this way, here A and B, now even this way, right, it doesn't matter, because it must make on circumference, right? Even now if I cause this is z, x equal to y, and also z, x equal to y, and also equal to z. That means these all three angles are equal. Here must be start from same place and go to the circumference. Start from same place, go to the circumference, right? Like this way. So these three angles are equal. Now I will show you what are the different situation we will get in these are not equal, right? Now sometimes we misunderstand, right? Here A and B, now think same two place, right? If you got like this way, now this is x, if you thought here other one, here y, in here x not equal to y, right? It not equal to y, because here it starts same two place. Look, it's go to the circumference, y is go to circumference, but this one not at circumference. So that's why this x and y not equal. Okay, now let's reconsider another one. Again think A and B, right? A and B. Now this one go to circumference like this, right? This is x, and other one go to like this, outside of the circle. Then here y, right? Think this is y. Now these two will not equal, x not equal to y, because same two places is go to circumference, only one, no, other one go to outside. So that's why these two not equal, right? And another situation you will get like this. What the think here, now think here A and B, again same two place, and maybe you have like this way, right? Here x, other one like this. Here what the difference? It both angle make on the circumference. Problem is not start from the same two place. Now here like this way, from B, both start from B here, but here from A, here not from A. That's the problem. So that's why these two not equal. Even here x and y not equal, right? X and y not equal. Right, now I will, if I draw this all different thing add together, it will be like this, right? Here and like this, right? Here x, here y. Now if I make another one like this, here I will call it as m, and other one I will make here, right? This one, right? Here I will put in, and again I will put another one like this. I will get from here, right? Don't think here, only this way. Now this is, I will think as R. Now on this type of situation, only these two will be equal, x and y. These all will not equal, x equal to y, others not. Now let's see check the next theorem. Next theorem is circle theorem. Now try to understand same 2 point I will mark here, A and B. Right, this is the 2 point. From this 2 point, right, it go to center. Right, one angle thing subtended at center. Right, from the A and B, it's go to center, and same two place go to circumference from here to here. Right, from here to here, any place doesn't matter. Now from these two go to here. Right, I will mark here from here and again like this. Now what the connection between these two? Right, what the connection? If this is thing 100 and this will be 50, that means exactly half of this center angle is this. Right, this will be half of this. Right, this is the bigger ones. At center it's 100 and this will be 50. But yeah, you will get this idea, but you must understand what are the different situation. It will not work now sometime. Now here must be start from the same two place, A and B. Right, here from the A and B go to center, and A and B same that two place must go to the circumference. Then we have this connection, otherwise no. Now for example think here A and here B. If I draw here it will be not clear, that's why I draw in the circle. Now A and B, now think if you got like this, right, from A and B go to circumference, right, like this. Now think like this way, right, and other one it's like this, right, A from the B, right, B, and it like this. Now when you have these two angle, there's no that connection. Now for example thing here it is not work, it's not work. Here 100 and here 50, no, it not will work like that. I mean you can't tell that way. If this is if they give this is 100, you can't tell this is 50. That's the thing. Because why here A, now this angle make by the A and B doesn't matter, but at center that angle not come from A and B, from B but not from A. Like this, no, it different point. So that's why this two has no that connection. Right, you can't apply that theorem here, because again I will explain to you here. AB subtended here angle, but this center one not from the A and B, so that's why you can't tell these two has that connection. Right, again now I will show you another situation. Now think here A and B, and this is go to circumference like this, but this is go to somewhere else, like it close to center. These two here also wrong. This two has no that connection, because from the same two place, yeah, correct, but problem is here from center to circumference, and this angle not at center, so that's why there's no that kind of connection here. Right, it's also wrong. Only in here you need to understand it must be from the same two place go to center, and also that same two place go to the circumference. It must be like that. And not only that, this must be on circumference. This angle must be on the circumference. Right, then this is the connection you need to understand. Angle at center is twice the angle of circumference. Okay. Let's see focus another circle theorem. This is also very basic one. Here now this is circle, here center. Right, now if you draw a diameter mean if you have a diameter, right, through the center, it's go like this. Now this is a diameter because it's go through the center, otherwise it's not a diameter, it must pass the center. Right, center, so this is the diameter. From this diameter, edge of the diameter, right, here A, B, these are the end here. This is the diameter to end here and here. If you have a angle like this, right here. Now this will be 90 degree. Now this is the third theorem. What the if you have a diameter, from end of the diameters subtended the angle at circumference, right, like this. So this will be 90, right? But here also you need to very carefully, it must be the diameter, huh? That means they need to tell in the question it's passed through the center, or somehow you must know this is the diameter, then will be this is 90. Now for example, think if you have like this way line, this we can call as chord. This chord, if you have like this way angle, maybe it look like 90, but this is not 90, right? Remember, this is not 90. Now this angle, not 90 degree, or right angle, because why? 90 degree angle, that means not right angle, because why? This is not the diameter, it must be the diameter, otherwise it will not be 90. Now here this is 90 because it's go come from the subtended from end of the diameters, right? This is the diameter, from diameter it's go like that, and it can be even like this, so it doesn't matter. Now think this is the diameter, this diameter can be even here, doesn't matter, right? Because from the end of the diameter it's subtended at center, right? Circumference, sorry, from the diameter, end of the diameter, it's subtended at circumference. Now so that's why this is 90 degree right angle, right? It's a very basic one, very simple theorem. Try to understand here also, but must be this the diameter, and you need to know this is diameter. They need to tell in the information data in with the question, or somehow you must know this is the diameter, then you can tell this is 90, otherwise you can't.